automate your everyday smartphone actions. Pressy is a tiny physical button that connects to your headphone jack and sends unique signals to an intuitive app that can activate one of many commands. Here are some of the many things you can do with your Pressy. Take instant photos and upload them to your favorite social network. Turn on your LED light. Send your location for emergencies. Start a discreet tape recording.
Don't tell anyone, but I like bears.
Check into your favorite social network, and much more. Pressy is not just a one-trick pony. You can easily configure the Pressy app to execute different actions for different sequences of clicks. For example, 2 short clicks can call your mom, and 2 long clicks can call your dad. But what if you want to use your headphones? Just let Pressy rest in the special keychain and use the headphone button as Pressy. It all still works. Pressy even has an API, so developers can bring you more cool features. Pressy, the almighty button.
You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. Learn more at rachio.com.
iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. BravaJet automatically knows what to do. The Precision Jet Spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. BravaJet uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. BravaJet is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. BravaJet features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and BravaJet uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and BravaJet uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, BravaJet traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. BravaJet is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, BravaJet, and iRobot.
Key Wi-Fi is designed to be simple, sophisticated, and secure. To set up Key Wi-Fi, just plug it in, and you're done. We've simplified it all. To connect, we've patented a unique authentication procedure that is simple and secure. Just go to the Wi-Fi selection page, tap Key Wi-Fi, and you're authenticated. Now you're able to connect. Devices that aren't authenticated simply can't join. Everyone notices when the internet slows down. There are thousands of possible problems that might have nothing to do with your internet connection, but something to do with the connection between your modem and your router, or your router and your devices. We've designed something that's so much more than a simple reset button, the Zen button. It runs a self-diagnosis of the most common connectivity issues and attempts to resolve them automatically. And you can also use Key Wi-Fi as a range extender for your existing routers. Even configure multiple Wi-Fi networks using either traditional passwords or our proximity authentication procedure, your choice. So that's Key Wi-Fi. Easy to set up and use, a new secure way to authenticate devices and protect your information, and equipped with powerful enterprise-grade hardware and software to provide a strong, stable signal for all your devices.
first carry-on that connects to your smartphone with revolutionary features, including a digital lock, proximity sensors, location tracking, trip tracking information, a built-in digital scale, and if that wasn't enough, a built-in battery that can charge your phone 6 times over. Designed for today's sophisticated traveler. And even guys like this. Pull the handle, and the app will tell you the exact weight of your carry-on so that you never have to check it because you pack too much. God knows what a suitcase has to go through. Forget about keys or combinations. Control the lock from the app. And if for any reason you need to part ways with your Blue Smart, worry not, it will automatically lock itself. Life's too short to fight for an outlet. Blue Smart will recharge your electronic devices with our super powerful built-in battery. So relax. Blue Smart will alert you if you ever leave it behind, or if it finds a new friend. And if it's ever lost, you'll be able to track its location. You will breeze through airport security thanks to easy access to your electronic devices. With Blue Smart, anyone can travel smart. Even this guy.
Secure iPhone bike mount on the market. Perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. Quad Lock mounts your iPhone on either the stem or bars in just seconds. The system is perfect for navigation, tracking your fitness, or just viewing your notifications while on the go. The Quad Lock interface is super strong and will hold your iPhone securely over even the roughest terrain. Don't worry about getting caught in the rain. Just slip on the weather-resistant cover called the poncho. Quad Lock makes for a great everyday case with its slim profile and complete edge-to-edge protection. Its composite construction and grippy material make it feel great in the hand while still being pocketable. Quad Lock is the best solution on the market and receives rave reviews from all over the world. Quad Lock is also compatible with an extended range of
with an app on your iPhone or Android to scan and match colors. Just place Color Muse on a surface and press Scan on the app. The app will show a list of the best color matches to products. In this case, the app is matching Sherwin-Williams paint. Color Muse can match many other paint brands as well, and products such as flooring, textiles, laminate, furniture, even apparel and shoes. The Color Muse device is $59 and the app is free. Color Muse can tell you the color in a variety of notations such as RGB, hex, lab, and others. It can accurately digitize colors you see in real life, such as magazines and products. Color Muse can tell you the best color match or help select coordinating colors. Color Muse app allows you to save colors you like into custom palettes. You can even take photos as notes to help you remember. You can share your palettes via most social media or via private web link to a colleague or client. For more information, please go to www.colormuse.io or simply search Color Muse on Google.